If you're nostalgic for Christmas like I am, and you love to put up a Christmas tree, but you hate all of the work that goes along with it, have we got something for you? This Christmas cluster tree easily allows you to thread these glass ornaments on the stand that comes with the tree, and you can build your own Christmas tree. Just like you would at home, you have the ability to put the ornaments in exactly what order that you want. It comes with 4 that are in the size of a 3-inch ball, and it comes with 8 that are in a size of 2 and 5/8 inch ball. And then there are 4 more that are a smaller size, which are about 1.5 inches. And you can decorate your tree exactly how you'd like. Easy to do, easy to set up, easy to take down. Everything comes contained within this one box. So you have a total of 16 ornaments that even has a little tree topper that goes on top, and as well as the metal stand that comes with it. It all goes back into the storage box for easy storage use in your crawl space, in your basement, any place that you like to store your Christmas ornaments. And you can decorate it year after year. Same ornaments, you can always add extra ornaments to it. All of these ornaments, and then you can top this with a tree. All these ornaments are made by Christopher Radko, a Shiny Bright branch of Christopher Radko, and they're all made in Poland. And now you have a beautiful centerpiece that you can use on the middle of your table, or if you wanted to display it on a shelf or any other place that you like for Christmas holidays. It really makes a lovely display, perfect for grandparents.